This is Hoi An Ancient Town. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a casual travel vlog part walking tour of Hoi An, Vietnam. Hoi An is a World UNESCO Heritage Site and is about a 30-minute bike ride away from Da Nang. The town is characterized by timber frame buildings painted yellow and is an example of a well-preserved small-scale trading port from a few hundred years ago. Anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, so we just arrived in Hoi An. It's a nice 30-minute ride. The sun's kind of beating down on the side of my head and the side of my neck. What's this banh mi place called? Banh mi Thuong, right? It's Alright, see how good it is. They make the thin style of banh mi, right? Or no? No? Oh, really? Why is it famous? Why is it famous if it's not the specific style that's made around here? Here's our banh mi. Looks pretty good. So after this, we're gonna go on some boat. Sort of that, probably seen in other YouTube videos, like, other YouTube videos, like people sitting in a boat, right? That's like a boat they go fishing in, and like guys like spinning it around. Judy really wants to do that, so we're gonna do that. Probably should take like an hour, and then after that, we're gonna just come back here and explore the city a little bit more. Probably head back around 6:30. It really does only take maybe 30 minutes or so. It's actually not that far, so we have even more people showing up. What's the deal? All these other businesses are fairly empty, and it's like this one has a ton of people. Like the banh mi is good, but it's a normal banh mi place in my opinion. Like, why is it so famous? Just because of empty Bourdain, or? Oh, okay. Because for me it's good, but it's just like lots of places have good banh mi, and I don't get it. Okay, so we just finished eating, so now we're going to be going to the boat tour thing, around boats. We'll see if it's even open or not. So, anyways. Okay, so we just arrived. We didn't get exactly lost, but this woman over here was like, could tell that we were like looking around, like driving slowly, stopping and checking our phone. She's like, hey, where are you going? We're like, we're going here. This is what we want to do. And it's like, oh, she does this. She has a boat tour. So apparently it's like a local thing, 100,000 a person. You do have to pay a small fee to get access into this area. Apparently there's a security guard, but otherwise that's it. So.
Hello, you.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Over here?
Yeah.
Split in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna do that. Yeah.
Đẹp ha.
Keep it balanced.
Em có nón là được rồi.
Oh, nice.
You want the umbrella?
And later. If the sun gets really.
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
That's it. So hilarious.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Cộng thấy nắng thì dùng
good.
nha.
That works for me. All right, so.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
I have been there.
What are you guys talking about?
Hey,
30 chưa?
he asked how old are you?
Oh.
He said that maybe you 20 something, huh?
No, 38.
38.
Yeah.
So young, he said that.
No, yeah, I'm so young.
Yeah, you're so young.
Anh là bốn mấy.
What is that?
You see that fruit?
Is it fruit or is it a seed?
It's seed. Seed fruit is the same,
Of
right?
what plant? This plant?
Nó già là nó không có.
Yeah,
I mean, like this palm tree thing?
yeah.
Oh.
Dọc xuống anh. Nước trong quá ha.
Yeah, we got company now.
Yeah.
Hello.
Whoa.
Biết rồi.
Ah, there we are. Well, let's carry on. Come on. Oh boy. Yeah, calm down. Look, that's great right there. Let me take a picture of that. Except for this dog. Alright, we'll continue on from that. So overall, I have to say that it's pretty empty here compared to my last time being here, obviously. Still got a bit of a crowd though, it's not too bad.
Em ơi, mình ra đi chè tham quan đi em. Giờ này đi xuống quanh đảo chụp hình đẹp nhất. Chứ còn bây giờ trên phố không đâu đã có hoạt động gì đâu. Giờ cỡ 7 giờ kìa. Giờ trưa em đi.
Yeah, it is nice actually. A lot of old buildings over here. You want to walk this way or you want to go continue on this way? Okay.
Em đi chưa không đi đâu. Em mới đi thuyền ở bên chỗ Bãi Mẫu á.
Starbucks, really? Look at this old building though. Look at that, huh? Wow. Nah, it's just old. Truly like old construction over here. That's what's nice about this area too. It's like the buildings here are genuinely old. This was a port city hundreds of years ago, used primarily by the Chinese as far as I remember. But now it's a historical site. Definitely worth checking out when you come to Da Nang. Take the 30-minute drive over here. There's not too much to do over here in Hanoi. It's good for evenings, like that's why we're here now. So I would either stay at like a nice resort near here, or I would stay in Da Nang and just make the trip back and forth. It's really not too far. Oh, and these are the boats you can take out, light the lanterns and all that stuff over here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's he offering?
Go to the boat.
Ah, okay. How much does he want? Junie? How much?
150.
Oh, okay.
Em đi má người mình dòng em lấy 100.000 em. Đi má người mình dòng.
Dạ, thôi để lát nữa he said that
100.
Con xem đi em gái.
Yeah, why is he so aggressive towards us though? I don't get it.
Yeah, that's why I don't like it. When we come back, I want to buy this one.
Yeah.
This one will massage your face. Yeah. And it's making nostril.
Really?
Drop it down.
Massages your face, eh?
Yeah, it's like.
Oh.
Bao nhiêu cái này vậy chị?
Dạ có một đầu là 80.
Jay,
Yeah.
can I borrow one?
Yeah, of course.
100.
100?
100 thôi nha.
Thôi đưa em 101 đi.
100 đi. Trời ơi. 100 đi mở hàng. Lại.
Oh, sorry. They take off the light? What are you talking about? What light?
The bánh mì.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the bánh mì with the Vietnamese flag. You can see over there.
Banh mi yu nak? Why is it? What's yu nak mean?
Yêu nước mean loving the country.
Yeah.
Just have the
Yeah.
flag like this.
That's really cute, actually.
Yeah, it's really cool, huh?
Yeah. Anything you want?
Giá thì nướng em được em ơi, chè cho phố rồi nè.
We go to the
So now we're going to be heading over to a pagoda that's kind of down the road a little bit. Like, it's really pretty, actually.
Em ơi đi thuyền không em?
Ah, there we go. Yeah.
crowded. I smell more.
Whoa! Look at the water. That's totally different. When I was here last time, the water level was way up.
Now it's no water.
Oh yeah. No, it wasn't like this.
Chị ơi, có đi dạo thuyền không?
Không em ơi. Here all the time.
Yeah. It's got a nice smell of incense. Yeah, this is just so different. Like last time I was here, it was actually all the way up. Ooh. I always wonder, what does this mean, huh?
Chục ké mà, đưa 5.000. Dùng chị là chị mừng lắm rồi em nè. Chứ Hội An là để Việt Nam thất nghiệp rồi em. Chứ lên mặt cây dân đen nó chơi.
Con ơi,
Dạ.
muốn ổng ngồi ngồi cũng cái ghế nó ngồi bỏ cái ổng bài ra cái lương nó chụp hình ra miệng vào đây.
Take the pictures.
That's like Voi Krathong in Thailand. Right? It's gonna put that in the
Cố
water.
gắng là đưa cái máy đèn.
Đây.
And now it's time to head back to Da Nang. And so what we're going to do is go to the Seven Bridges Brewery, which is not famous, but it's famous for foreigners. Vietnamese actually don't really know. So yeah, no idea. Really good beer. Definitely recommend checking out Seven Bridges. You'll often find their beer around places in Vietnam, but the actual tap house has all of their beer. Alright everyone, so we just made it back to Da Nang, and yeah, the drive is really safe if you ever want to go back from Hoi An to Da Nang. If you're thinking about taking a bike there and coming back at night, it's going to be dangerous, like that's totally fine. So right now we're here at Seven Bridges Brewery. Amazing food, great view. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing, hit that like button. I'll see you next video.